Okay. Hey
Hello,
guys.
everyone. Okay, so what we're doing is we're doing a combo of vegetable noodles, which is zucchini noodles, and whole wheat noodles, okay? So let me show you what type of noodles I have. I have linguine, and it is whole wheat. Whole wheat. All right, so I have it on.
Wow, look at this,
okay,
guys.
I have it on. I'm gonna put some garlic powder in. Garlic powder. I put some butter in it already. And I'm gonna put some onion powder.
Onion
you see
powder.
that? Okay. I don't know if all onion powder looks like this, but it's like a little white powder. I don't know. It is called onion powder.
No.
Okay. We're also gonna put a little natural salt.
Sea salt.
And I put it in my hand. Always put your salt in your hand. Never pour it straight from the
You can see
the
it.
shaker. I put that much in. Sprinkle it in. Now the reason why we tell them the reason why we mix them, babe.
Okay, guys. The reason why we mix zucchini noodles with whole wheat noodles is because we want to have this meal to be low carb. Regular noodles are high in carbs naturally, but zucchini is a low carb option. So we decided to blend the two so that we can have a medium amount of carbs with our meal.
You know where I put that tomato?
You sat the tomato down somewhere.
Okay, and as our meat today, we're gonna have fish. I have my fish over on my other burner, and it's just cooking. And I'm going to merge all that in a little bit. So we're gonna turn this fire up a little bit. I have flame.
Turn it up.
Do you guys still cook on flame, or are y'all just cooking on the heat plated? I don't know what those type of ovens or stoves are called.
But you know what we're
Put
talking
it down
about.
in the comments.
Yeah, the kind of stovetop where the metal is actually heated. That steam. There we go. You can tell this is the flame is really up high. I don't think
That water right there,
look at that, guys.
we're trying to get that to kind of boil out.
Now you have to cook your noodles first before you put the zucchini in because the zucchini will cook faster. So we pre-cooked the noodles a little bit before we're starting to blend this.
Okay, so I have my onions already over here, my fish.
You know she put onions in it. Look at those onions, guys.
And the type of fish I use, y'all, I think is cod and haddock. That's the fish of the day, cod and haddock. We got some salmon in the freezer, and I didn't feel like really doing salmon because I just think salmon's too expensive to try to make like a spaghetti meal out of salmon. I'm just not going to do that.
Salmon is so good. And it's good for you. But it's expensive.
So I ain't going to act bougie. I'm just
Yeah,
going
she
to
just
pour all
put the
that
whole
in there.
thing in there. Look at that. Put the whole thing in there. She's going to try to spoon it out one by one. But, you know, we're trying to keep it natural and real on here.
So this is, I guess, would this be called vegetarian because it's fish?
Yes, this is definitely vegetarian. It's not vegan. This is not a vegan meal, but this is a vegetarian meal. Do noodles have eggs?
Yeah,
But vegetarians can have eggs.
I guess.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, this is almost vegetarian. Guys, let us know. Can vegetarians actually have eggs? I know some vegetarians eat cheese. Are you a vegetarian? Are you a vegan? Look at that steam, guys. I'm trying to hold this as close as I possibly can, but as you can see, it's fogging up the lens. on our camera. Look at that steam. This is really, really hot. Jenna, I'm about to turn it down.
Well, just lift the phone up for me.
Okay. All right. We're gonna give you some cam, some sky cam view. Let me take it out the path of the steam. Maybe that'll help. There we go. Can you guys see that steam?
Okay, so we're gonna put some lime in here.
Did I turn that up or did I turn that down?
It looks like you turned it down.
Okay, great.
We're gonna put some lime. I like lime in my food because it just brings out all of the flavors in your dish.
That looks so good.
And it smells nice as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this again. Just put some lime in. You can omit this ingredient if you would like. That's fine. Now I'm gonna do a taste test and just see how this is seasoned. Needs a lot more salt.
A lot more salt. Okay.
So this is what I do. I season in stages instead of trying to season all in the beginning, because once the salt's in there, unfortunately, you can't take it out. So you can always add salt, but you can't take it out. Okay, so we put our butter in, we put our salt in, put our onions in, put our zucchini in, we put our fish in. The fish that I used was haddock and cod. And the reason why I chose those two is because they are nice and thick.
Nice meaty fish. It's a nice meaty fish.
So now, of course, we're going to put some...
It's not as dense as salmon, but it's a nice meaty fish.
Tomato in.
Wow, look at the color.
And this is going to serve as my, like, sauce, you know, because I'm not trying to use any canned. But you can always put canned in. Also, you can make this like an Alfredo, too. Omit the tomatoes and make it like an Alfredo.
Oh. That sounds good. You know we have vegan cheese. Can we put vegan cheese in this?
No.
No? Okay.
That vegan cheese, he loves it. It's expensive. It's almost $5 for 10 slices of cheese. So.
For 10 slices.
And just because it's vegan doesn't necessarily mean it makes it more healthy. It's just an unhealthier alternative because there's still a lot of sodium.
A lot of sodium. And
there's still a lot of other ingredients in it. The cheese that I get doesn't have soy.
Which is awesome.
But you know, it is what it is.
You know, if I was to put cheese on it, I wouldn't put it in a pan to stir it in. I would put it on top of the plate and let the heat melt it down. Because I don't know if you guys have tasted vegan cheese, but how can I say it? It's not like regular cheese where the consistency will stay thick. So that's why I would just like melt it over top of my plate. And like she said, it's expensive too, because you know you can't put 5 slices of cheese in here. That'd be too expensive.
That's way too expensive. Okay, so we about to plate this up. So what would you call this meat? I call it fish spaghetti?
This would be fish spaghetti, yeah. Fish spaghetti
with a low carb alternative. Let's plate this up.
Okay.
I'll turn this off because of the heat.
Okay.
Let that heat, put that light on here.
Okay. All right,
not sure y'all can see it.
You want to move over? Okay, here we go.
Hold on, I want to put some more on here.
Oh, you're going to put some more? Okay. Wow. Now that looks good.
So if you're looking for like a low carb, but because see the reason why I put this with the regular noodles with the zucchini is because if you try to have a full day off of just zucchini noodles, it's not going to work. So you need a little bit of noodles for the carbs. Remember, carbs are good. It's good for energy. It's good for fat burning. It's good for you feeling good and not being on edge. So if you're on edge or you can't sleep or you're not having a great day, it might be because you don't have enough carbs. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And stay tuned for more videos. Like this video.
Make sure you guys like this video.
Subscribe if you haven't already.
Subscribe if you haven't already.
And we will see you on the next video.
All right, guys.